Thank you for landing on this first chapter. So, as our big data course is started, we will learn Python and its features, because Python is a very concise code language, and it will really helpful for writing different code, whatever we want to write in Python. Okay, so first, Python introduction and feature and history. I'm Viral Bhardwaj, as you know, and this is my LinkedIn profile. You can connect with me and we can increase our professional network. Okay, what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. What mean by general purpose? General purpose means we can create web application, game. We can use this language for data science, machine learning, and high level means it is easy to understand. Programming language means where the user can talk with the machine, that how we are talking with particular machine, what we are doing with that machine. We can write that whole code there. And Python as an all-rounder, it is a functional programming. The functional programming feature we took from C language, OOPS concept we took from C++, and shell scripting we took from Perl and shell scripting. Okay, we will see these example: functional programming, OOPS concept, and shell scripting. Okay, shell scripting nothing means, it is means executing code one line by line. Okay, so here is our Python community edition. First code, as all people write, we will write print hello world, that how hello world works here. Hello world, WRLD. Okay, now how we will execute this program? We will just execute this program like this. Hello world, you can see hello world is executed. That means Python is a high level programming language. 5th grade person can easily understand that what we exactly wants to do here as a print a hello world as a Python. Okay, so in the data type section, in our data type lecture, we will cover all about data type and everything. First we will see what exactly it is in a simple language. Okay, so Python is a high level language, means we can easily understand this one. Python is a functional programming. Okay, functional programming we are writing just for understanding this one, but do not panic. We will learn whole functional programming OOPS concept in different lecture. Okay, we will create one function. Function name is function1. Okay, this we will write here print Python is a functional language. Okay, now we will print this function. How we will print this function? We will write here print command and we'll write fun1. Okay, and what is the error? Reformat. Okay, we formatted that one, and after that we can run. We can see hello world. First hello world is executed, and second this function is executed. We can see line by line execution, so we can consider this language as a scripting language. Okay, so a functional language, we created one function here. We print that function is Python is a functional programming language, and after that we can see print fun1 means it is a functional programming language. What mean by OOPS language means we will use classes and function inside that thing. Okay, so for making this as a functional programming classes and function, we will see here class Viral. Okay, now inside this class we will write one function. Just tab this one, just tab. Okay, now inside this function we will write self. Okay, this is a default argument, and now we will call this. First we will write object of that particular class. Okay, why it is showing this error? Reformat file. Okay, so first we will write object of that particular class. How we can write? We can write just t is equal to Viral. Okay, this is our object. We are creating object of that particular class. Okay, now we will call that object. How we will call that object? Print t dot fun1. Okay, now we will print this section. And what is that? Python is a function for Python is a OOPS language. OOPS language. Okay, so we can easily understand here Python is a object oriented programming language. Okay, so this is our demo of Python basic. Okay, now we will go in the second thing. We saw these all example. I hope you understand those things. Functional programming means it is we can create separate function. OOPS means we can create a separate class for that one. Shell scripting means line by line execution. Okay, and second one is who is the founder of Python. Python that person Guido van Rossum created Python in 1989 in National Research Institute of Netherlands, and February 1991 it is released. And Python is older than Java because Java is released in 1995. Why Python name? Python name he took from, he is a great fan of this circus, this program which known as the complete Monty Python's Flying Circus. So he took Python name from here. Okay, why sudden rise? You are thinking that recently we heard about Python here and there. Python you heard right now because in a data science application we are using huge Python there. We are using huge Python in data science application. Okay, like data analysis, it have a concise code. We don't have to write lot of things and it is easy to understand. Okay, now what is Python feature? Python feature, it is a simple, free to use. Simple means we already saw that example, that print hello world. It is writing hello world without any issue, means without any boilerplate code, means not a verbose code. It is a concise code, free to use. We can easily download from Python from python.org, and it is a platform independent. This is the system is a Windows system. We can run the same Python in Linux system, Red Hat system, anywhere we can, or it is a Mac OS system. We can write anywhere. Dynamically typed. Okay, dynamically typed means we do not have to write explicitly. We do not have to write int 1 2 3 or I will create one Python file, Python 002. Okay, now I will write dynamically typed means I am writing 1 a is equal to 1. Okay, now I will write print type of a. What is the type of a? Okay, so it will show us int, class int. Okay, if it is a virar, okay, a virar is a string format. Okay, we will write in this string format. Now it will show us a Python class is a string, and if we write here 1.2, we will print type of 1.2. It is a float. Dynamically typed language. We do not have to write explicitly like int a is equal to this like we are writing in Java or C++. Okay, that means it is a dynamically typed language. Okay, and it has a extensive library like pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, everything is there. Okay, and where we can use Python as a desktop application, web application, network application. Game developer can use Python for creating games, and data analysis application, machine learning, deep learning, IoT kind of thing, we can use Python there. Okay, limitation, we cannot create mobile application. I don't know about future, but right now we cannot create a mobile application from Python. An enterprise application like a banking application and e-commerce application, like a big e-commerce application, it is really hard to write there because there can be a security issue. Python is a slow language because it create it is going through line by line. line by line execution. Okay, so it is a slow language. Okay, this is a okay. Then conclusion is that Python is a high level, general purpose high level programming language. We learn this all thing. We have done some demo here, and in further lecture we will learn Python in more efficient way. Okay, see you in next lecture. Thank you very much.